Hey, this time it's going to be ramen noodle soup, hot and spicy with chicken. All right, and we did this before. I'm looking at it, and it's not as hot. If you notice the label, when you go down, it's not as hot. It's only got one pepper lit up. So if there were two peppers, it would be hot. But three peppers is good and hot. This is the chicken spice ramen noodle soup in the bowl. It's a little bowl. And this is the spicy, what do you call it? The chili sauce that I was talking about that I don't like. I don't like this chili sauce out of there. So I just throw that away. I go ahead and I put the vegetables in. And then I will put the seasoning packet. Maybe only half of that, because this has got a lot of sodium and other stuff in there I don't really care for. But I'll put about half of that in there for seasoning. But today I've got some fried chicken from a local fried chicken joint, and we got this today. This is fresh fried chicken, and I took the breast out of the box and I've cut it up into chunks. And I'll put that. What I'll do is I'll put that in there with that, add the water, boil it, and then that will be my dinner tonight. Fried chicken ramen noodle soup. Right here on rednecksgonewild.com. Okay, there we go. I got it all I got it all ready to go in the microwave. My chicken's all in there and everything. So I'll just close that lid down and stick it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then come back here in a minute and eat it. Well, folks, there it is. There's my meal. I got it ready. It just came out of the microwave. So what I do after that is I kind of dig it up a little bit, dig down in there, and make my noodles come to the top, and my meat and chicken and stuff go to the bottom. And then I let it sit for about a minute and let it cook. Yeah, while I finish my blue cup. So how many of y'all knew that the scissors were here because I opened the lid or whatever? You're wrong. The scissors are here so I can cut up my noodles before I eat them. It makes them easier to eat. Just chop your noodles up with a pair of scissors. You can go through there like that for a few minutes while it's cooking, and chop up your noodles. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, folks. RednecksGoneWild.com.